You know that moment when a gadget finally feels complete? Like all the years of trial, error, and patches finally land in one beautiful, satisfying click? That's kind of where the Galaxy Z Fold 7 finds itself. This isn't Samsung trying to prove foldable or cool. It's Samsung saying, "We've arrived." Thinner, lighter, wider, and dare I say, smarter. Sure, the idea is the same. A regular phone on the outside, a mini tablet on the inside. But everything about the Fold 7 feels more natural now. It's no longer a sci-fi prototype. It's just a really, really good phone that happens to fold. Samsung's engineers hit the gym. Fold 7 is slimmer, stronger, and smoother. Just 8.9 millimeters folded and 4.2 millimeters open, with a redesigned hinge that finally folds flat. The outer screen grows to 6.5 inches, 21:9, for easy texting, scrolling, or TikToks without opening up. Unfolded for a stunning 8-inch OLED that's brighter and sturdier. Downside? No more S Pen support. Samsung giveth, Samsung taketh away. This is where things get spicy. The Fold 7 steals the 200-megapixel main sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's not just a spec bump, it's a serious image quality upgrade. Details are insane, dynamic range is spot on, and portraits look like they came from a mirrorless camera. Even the ultra-wide cam got autofocus, so you can do legit macro shots now. Selfies. 3 ways to shoot them. The new inner 10-megapixel camera, but honestly, just flip it around and use the main camera with the cover screen as your viewfinder. It's next level flattering. The only weak link? The telephoto lens. It's decent, but not quite Pixel or Honor Magic V territory at zoom. Here's the trade-off. While the screens look better and are physically larger, brightness took a slight hit. The inner screen tops out at 1,400 nits, down from last year's 1,600. Not a deal breaker, but noticeable in direct sunlight. Thankfully, color and sharpness are still chef's kiss. Refresh rate is buttery at 120 Hz, and with LTPO, it drops to 1 Hz when idle to save battery. Audio, slightly underwhelming. The stereo speakers are just average, loud enough, crisp enough, but lacking real punch. Maybe Samsung had to sacrifice a bit of sound depth to keep the phone so slim? Either way, headphones or earbuds are your friend here. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite for Galaxy, and it absolutely flies. Multitasking, gaming, video editing, no sweat. Paired with One UI 8 on top of Android 16, the whole thing feels clean, fluid, and smart. Samsung's AI-powered features like Circle to Search, Gemini Live, and floating taskbars are surprisingly useful and not just gimmicks. But when it comes to battery, we're back to earth. The 4,400 mAh cell is unchanged, and while efficiency is better, it still gives you a meh day's use. Charging is still 25 watts wired, which is okay. Full juice in about 90 minutes. Wireless and reverse wireless are on board, but again, not the fastest around. Foldable are cool, but battery tech needs to catch up. So, what's the bottom line? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is easily Samsung's best foldable to date. Refined, reliable, and ready for the mainstream. The bigger screens, lighter frame, improved cameras, and slick software polish make this feel like a product finally ready for daily use. But it's not perfect. The loss of S Pen support hurts. The speakers and battery life are just okay. And it's still very expensive. But if you're someone who wants the bleeding edge, who wants their phone to be more than just a phone, this might just be the foldable you've been waiting for. Enjoyed the review? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a real-world, no-fluff breakdown of the latest tech. Let us know in the comments, is the Fold 7 finally ready for everyone, or still a niche dream?